All right, it is a beautiful day outside. Temperatures are down a touch compared to where they were yesterday. So we look from downtown to some sort of neighborhood there. Rancho Penasquitos, Chula Vista, and El Cajon. Sunny skies across the entire county from the beaches all the way out to our deserts. Most of us are in the 70s. La Jolla still at 67 degrees though, and Escondido, Ramona, and Alpine already in the 80s. Also in Warner Springs, 77 degrees in Chula Vista. And as we head into the afternoon, we are going to see those winds picking up, which you may have already noticed already. In fact, up and down our coastline, winds are pretty sustained at 5 to 15 miles per hour. That onshore flow coming in, those westerly winds. The mountains and the deserts, we're going to see those winds pick up later today. Those strongest winds will actually arrive after about 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. That coupled with this, our really dry humidity levels really is going to elevate our fire danger. Today is actually going to be the worst of it, but as we head into the next couple of days, especially by Thursday, the humidity levels are going to go up. But we're in the single digits in our mountains and our deserts right now, so it's very, very dry. And we're, of course, watching the remnants of Florence. It's actually just exiting the east coast right now, so we're almost done with it. High pressure is going to be weakening the next couple of days, but still close enough by that we're going to see temperatures pretty close to normal, and it's going to win out just a little bit over the weekend, so temperatures will go up a notch. Generally in the 70s along our coast, but as we welcome fall on Saturday, we could see a few 80s for the warmer coastal areas. Inland neighborhoods will stay in the mid 80s through the week, a touch warmer by Sunday and Monday when we may start to see some 90s popping up for the warmer spots, and we'll keep those breezy conditions in the afternoons through about Thursday. That goes for the mountains and the deserts as well. 70s through the work week in the mountains and low 100s in our deserts. Guys?